Now, some good news for chicken lovers in Delhi facing a ban on sale of eggs and poultry products in wake of bird flu outbreak. Samples of poultry from Delhi's Ghazipur Mandi have now tested negative for dreaded H5N1 avian influenza virus. Animal Husbandry Department has sent 100 samples from Ghazipur chicken market to Jalandhar for tests, and the move had come right after several ducks were found dead in Delhi's Sanjay Lake. However, Animal Husbandry Department now continues to remain on high alert and scan random samples across Delhi. Bird flu virus may still be present in birds in Delhi. Amid the scare there, Delhi civic authorities have now issued an order directing restaurants and eateries not to serve chicken and egg dishes. Kumar Kunal joining us for more details on that. Kunal, what we finally conclude here with the Delhi government's move is that the Delhi government has directed restaurants and eateries not to serve chicken and dishes. As much as it's a relief that no bird flu cases were detected at the poultry farms, but this direction is really going to hit business too. And take us through the cases of bird flu in Delhi.
See, there are cases in Delhi for bird flu. There is no doubt about that. But now, even we visited Ghazipur poultry market, which has been closed for 5 days now, and the traders are not quite happy with the decision of the government to shut down the market without any evidence of bird flu in the market itself. They are telling that we are without any work for last 5 days, and for next 5 days even the poultry market will remain closed, although the bird samples have been found negative. So they are not quite happy. Even the restaurant owners and other eateries, they are also not happy, as the local body has also instructed them to not serve the items which has been cooked by chicken or from egg. So all these things are having its impact, and even the confusion about bird flu is also increasing. But at the same time, what Delhi government is telling that it's a precautionary measure since they found a few bird flu samples from different part of capital. So this is a necessary step to close down the markets, and if they haven't taken that step, then the scare might go even unchecked in several parts of Delhi.
Thank you very much, Kumar Kunal, for joining us with those details. It's about time that we keep a watch. Thank you for those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.